Hey guys, are you looking to end 2022 with the bang? In this video, I'll walk you through how to do the end with that the 2022 seasons comes to end trend on Instagram. You'll learn step by step how to create an exciting montage of your favorite moments from this past year complete with effects and stickers. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to give your followers something unique. To get started, we will open our Instagram mobile application. Then you have to click on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and in the search bar you have to search for. Once you have searched there, then you will see a bunch of these videos following this trend. Simply tap on any of the video, and then there you can see there is an option named
And
as
with
use
that, the
template. You have to tap on
2022
this.
season
If you don't see this option on the first video you open, then check other videos. Once you find with this button, simply tap on it. Now it will open up the template within the Instagram app itself, so you don't need any third party apps to do this trend. So now what you want to do next is that tap where it says media, and then add all of your 2022 recap video photos to your video. Once you have finished adding them up, click on the next button, and now wait just a couple of seconds while Instagram creates your reel. Once that's done, select any of the song that you like, and you can add some stickers and text as well. Once you have finished creating your reels, you can simply share it to your Instagram. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.